Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2017 Chevy Equinox. Now this specific Equinox is a front-wheel drive LT model. It is also Chevrolet's custom Midnight Edition. This vehicle has never been reported in any accidents and only has 22,100 miles on it. As you can see here, it does come with your black Chevy decals, and it also does have 17-inch custom aluminum wheels. Now when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that it does have your Pioneer audio system with jet black leather seats with a red lining. It does have a fairly large back seat. But when it comes to the front of this vehicle, we do have our heated seating, our Chevy MyLink radio, and even your standard cruise control. This is Johnny at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.